Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we're here at the range, just shot a 5-shot group with the Nosler trophy grade 55 grain ballistic tip out of my Savage Model 12 BVSS and 22-250 Remington. We're going to walk down range 200 yards, see how we did. It looks pretty good in the spotting scope, but I want to go down and take a look. So you guys are going to walk with me. Trying really hard not to be too shaky. Please excuse that, as I cannot pause with this iPhone for some reason. Nice overcast day, not much sun, it's about 50 degrees. A little bit of gusting wind, probably 10, 12 miles an hour. I was trying to wait in between the wind, if I could. The target backer on the right is 300 yards. Hopefully can play around over on that side too. This is the second time I've shot 200 yards in my life. Just started getting into long range shooting. Definitely really enjoying it so far. One of these days we'll get there. Just bear with me. Just realized I forgot to bring my tape measure. Kind of pisses me off. So hopefully we can just use the squares on the target. Each square is an inch. Should be able to figure out around about what its size is. I'd say that's pretty good. At 200 yards for a 5-shot group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Putting them in the same hole at 200 yards. Factory stock. Savage. Model 12. Nothing done to it but put a scope on it. It's a Vortex Viper PST. 4-12. First focal plane. Very, very happy with that. That's a dead groundhog for sure. Might take a couple more videos, but I'm going to get back to shooting. Thanks, guys.